Hey guys, Sagar here from Tutor's Life. Uh, Based upon huge requests from students who lack soft skills training, so we are trying to give away a few free videos on soft skills training. So each video will be around 3 to 5 minutes, and we deliver them in a series. Okay, so I hope this training will really help you in attending interviews with confidence, facing HRs with confidence, and preparing for interviews with confidence. Alright, so let's get started with it. So in this video I'll just give you guys some outline what we can talk about in the whole series. Alright, so first to start with, it's a quote. So what it says is like soft skills get little respect but will make or break your career. What that really means is that people really neglect soft skills. So they think like soft skills is just an add-on. But for us here in Tutor's Life, soft skills is the main ingredient of your career. Like if you have it, you'll be very good at your career. If you do not have it or if you lack them, then it may be a problem on your career. So here, the outline of this video, what we're going to talk about in this video or in the whole series is that we'll talk about what are soft skills, why do you really need soft skills, and how communication skills are a part of soft skills and interpersonal skills are a part of soft skills. And at the very end, I'll tell you guys how Tudosway can really help you get that soft skill. So to start with, what are soft skills? So if you can see, soft skills are something. Okay, the name itself says like it's pretty much soft, plays with emotions, plays with your confidence. So it is that skill which will help you to engage and interact effectively with others. Like say, for instance, you are meeting, you're a pretty much reserved person or you are a low confident person. So you want to meet someone for the first time or you for the second time, whatever it can be. So soft skills will give you that confidence in you to engage effectively. Also to build consensus. Consensus is something which is like a consciousness. The it's more about the confidence and can provide you assistance in leadership. Like if you want to be a better manager, this is not just for freshers. Actually, this can be useful for people who are already in a managerial position who want to build certain leadership qualities, certain relationship with their colleagues. So why do we need soft skills is another question. Fine, we know what are soft skills. So most clearly from the definition of the soft skill itself, we get to know that why do we really need soft skills. I explained that, like to handle relations, to take decisions, to communicate, and to gain professional development. So this is the sole purpose of soft skills in your career. So the part of soft skills, communication skills is one important aspect of soft skills. Like soft skills can be exhibited only when you communicate them really well. Like, for instance, say you meet someone, you say hi, hello. So it's kind of soft skills, but communicated to a better manner. So that's where communication skills really come into picture in soft skills. So as we frame here, it's a cornerstone of soft skills. That means this is the key ingredient of your soft skills. And you know about communication. You must have been to interviews, you must have been to group discussions, or you must have been to presentations. So you guys know what is the key in all aspects. It's the communication skills. So you have to be very good at communicating your idea, communicating what you're thinking to the other person. That precisely describes what a communication skill is. So you can see this, trendy picture over here, which tells about, key conversation between two people, right? And then the interpersonal skills. This is something really helpful for everybody. I mean, beyond age, beyond education, beyond ethnicity, whatever it can be, interpersonal skills are very important for a human being in overall. Like say, what is interpersonal skill? It's like how do you behave with others is interpersonal skill. How do you really take your attitude in a way that the other person really likes you? That's the interpersonal skill. So we'll be discussing about interpersonal skills, how to build these interpersonal skills, how to get a very good body language so that others may like you. This is the biggest problem in interviews when someone may have these communication skills, but they really lack in this interpersonal skills. So here where we come into picture and help you people how to develop these interpersonal skills. And then the next is the leadership skills. So I mean, for the freshers, it may not add that kind of value because you may not be or you cannot be a leader in the first place, but this can be really helpful for people who are in managerial roles where they can help them. These leadership skills can help them in building a team, making the team work, making the team adapt to a project, a situation, making yourself and the team responsible for the company, and how to inculcate those manners inside the team so that everybody behave themselves, everybody be good with themselves. Okay, such kind of things will also be discussed in our leadership skills. So this can be attended by freshers, experienced people, people who are in colleges. This can be helpful for people inside colleges who are running this NGOs, who are running this leadership groups inside colleges where they can achieve something out of us. So how can we really help here? That's the biggest question here. Okay, I mean everybody knows this. Like there are communication skills, there are interpersonal skills, there are leadership skills, but nobody knows how to apply them. How can we be disciplined or that particular skill where we can grow ourselves? So here we come. If you are hardworking, if you are dedicated, and if you be consistent, and if you never give up, here we can help you out in putting these videos. They're absolutely free. There's no charge for it. You can come to our website, watch them anytime you like it, repeat them, download them if possible. Okay, so we are here to help you guys out. So if you are ready, so here there is only one way we do not have a failure, we do have a success going forward. Alright, if you are up for it, go ahead and register with our website for constant updates. So the next video will be coming upon communication skills. So register with us so that you get the updates regarding when we release the next video. Also, do please like us on Facebook for the good work we are doing. Our channel, our Facebook page is Doodles Live. You can search for it. And for more videos like this, even if you don't register with us, go ahead onto YouTube, subscribe to our channel because you get a notification right in your inbox. Alright, and our website is studentslive.com. You guys know, go ahead, see there. We offer a variety of courses over there, not just com skills. We provide courses to freshers in a way that they have to groom themselves and be prepared for a job. So thank you for watching, guys. You have a very great day.